everyone, today I'd like to show you how to bind the quiet book, the mini book. This type of binding is very neat and very strong. Let's begin. I have 5 pairs of pages. I sorted them by colors. It's not necessary, but I decided to make so. I have brown, yellow, blue, and first and last page with the cover are different. My pages are 15 by 15 centimeters. I have cut fusible interfacing for inner and outer spine. For the inner spine, I cut 13 by 7 centimeters. There will be 1 centimeter between pages. For the seam allowances, I need 1.5 centimeter from this side, 1.5 from this side, and 1 between pages, 4, so I have 7 centimeters. For the outer spine, I made the outer spine a little bit wider and a little bit longer, just to cover seams that we're going to stitch on the inner spine, so they will not be seen from the right side of the book. So the inner spine 7 and outer spine is 8 centimeters. So here I have 2 centimeters seam allowance and here's 2 centimeters seam allowance. Let's start with the outer spine. I decided to make outer spine with same fabric as the cover. I will make it like so. Don't forget that the seam comes along the edge of the fusible interfacing, but 1 millimeter or half millimeter or 1 millimeter from the edge of the interfacing. So when you turn out the detail, so the fabric will not be very tight around the interfacing. Same from the both sides. So approximately 1 millimeter here and here. Cut off extra fabric. I'm going to use fusible web between 2 layers, just as adhesive. Inner spine I will make with this fabric. I have orange, some orange here, so I decided to choose this fabric. Okay, so we need just take the fabric and stiffen with the fusible interfacing. For the inner spine, I need to cut fabric stripes. I decided to take 3 colors of the fabric, just as pair of pages, but it's not necessary. You may use same fabric as the stiff inner spine. So I have cut stripes for the binding and fabric same length but the width is 7 centimeters as the width of the inner spine. Y is 29 centimeters. The length of the inner spine is 13 centimeters. I'm going to hide the seam, so what I'm going to do, like so. So 13 plus 13 plus 3 centimeters seam allowances, like so. Same here. So to make the inner spine, fold your fabric. Now take the fabric stripe. We need to make exactly 13 centimeters as the length of the inner spine. I'm going to use felt ruler, but if you don't have one, you may use metallic ruler. Fold the fabric from the one side. My ruler is 15 centimeters, so I need 13, like so. So those two pages are first and last ones. Next, I have yellow pair, brown and blue. Yellow, brown and blue. Now, take your inner spine, second mark, and the mark here. You may use any clips, stationary clips or wonder clips for sewing, any you have. And those two marks at the bottom. So start here, go back and forth, here and go back and finish here. To make everything even, I'm going to mark now from the back side. So mark 1 centimeter from the previous seam. This is water soluble pen, so then I will just rinse the spine. Next, brown. Marks. Okay. Again, start here, go back and forth, and finish here.